are going to make the best ever keto ice cream you ever had. I promise you this recipe is awesome. Let's get started.
You need 3 egg yolks, 2 deciliter of whipped cream, 150 gram of mascarpone, vanilla and maple. First you need to make the whipped cream. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Make sure that your cream is fluffy and not so hard like this. Now you can make your mascarpone cream. Take your 150 gram of mascarpone, add the 3 egg yolks, and now use some maple syrup, 3 tablespoons. Now mix it together. Mix it together until you have this nice mixture. Now take your whipped cream and just slowly add it to it. And then just very gently mix them together. When you mix it nicely together and it became one nice creamy mixture like this, then you cover it and put it into the fridge for a couple of hours.
Alright, until our ice cream is in the freezer and getting its final form, I will show you how to do a chocolate and a nuts caramel type of topping for your ice cream. So let's get on to it. Alright, so you use Baker unsweetened chocolate. You use a double boiling system, and I use like about 30 gram of unsweetened chocolate, and you just melt it up. And in the meantime, you can do your caramelized nut mix. I took 30 gram of nuts, 10 each walnut, almond and pecan. Just throw them in here. Put your stove on like a medium temperature. Use maple syrup. I think 1 tablespoon is like enough. And you just put that on and slowly heat it up with the nuts. They get a bit roasted with this. And here you can see how nicely it's caramelizing. It starts to be brown, and keep mixing it so it's not going to burn on really medium or even low, high. And just keep going a bit more until it's got a bit nice brown color. And when you feel the smell of the sugar, like a burning sugar, this is a bit too thick to be an ice cream topping for me. So if you want to lose it up a little bit, then you can use 1 tablespoon of whipped cream. Just put it in, mix it together until it becomes one nice chocolatey mixture. And then you can add a little bit of water. Alright, so the nuts seems done. They look very nice and brownish color, and you have this sweet smell of the sugar. This one you know it's done. So this is done. And on the chocolate sauce, I added a very little water, like a tablespoon, to make it more like saucy. And soon this is also done. Okay, I would call this as a done. This half is. Alright, so this is the ice cream after 3 hours, but I took it out a bit earlier because it becomes very hard, so you need to, I think, leave it on room temperature for 10 minutes so you can make scoops out of it. And then you just make a scoop, put it in here, make another one, put it there. Then you can use your caramelized nuts mixture. You can put like a tablespoon on it, just throw it on maybe a little of more almond and nuts, and then you can use your chocolate sauce, a tablespoon. Just put it on, and I love cinnamon, so I am gonna sprinkle a little bit cinnamon for myself, but this, it's your taste. And here you go. This is the best keto ice cream you ever had, I promised. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, please comment below. And don't forget to share if you like this recipe. And you can find the recipe on MyFitnessPal as well, under Keto Ice Cream Life with Our Kids. And see you in my next video. Bye bye!